In the last couple of years, we made Wix websites way faster, achieving dramatic improvements for Core Web Vitals. How dramatic? 10 times dramatic. We started by taking steps, like hosting all our sites on a globally distributed CDN infrastructure, enabling automatic caching of all site resources, including the HTML. This ensures your site will load quickly, regardless of your user's location, network, or device. In addition, all our components are built to minimize layout shifts by using proper dimensions, CSS aspect ratios, and font preload, which results in good cumulative layout shift scores. We optimize for the largest contentful paint by prioritize image and font resources and by lazy loading elements outside the viewport. Just a second. What else are we doing to add speed? Quickfire round. We automatically convert images to WebP while resizing and cropping for optimal meta delivery, compressing all resources using Broadly to ensure faster downloads, using web workers to reduce main thread block in JavaScript, and minimize input delays for increased site responsiveness, using code splitting and dynamic imports, so sites load quickly, regardless of complexity, and using other features, such as custom elements, resource preloads, priority hints, HTTP3, and more. And it keeps going from there. We're providing detailed daily performance reports for all our users on our site speed dashboard, and they can test how any changes they make impact their site's performance. That's what we've done so far, but we're always making enhancements, and every new element or feature we develop is done with performance in mind. So no matter your business, there's a high-performance website waiting for you at Wix.